1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Melinda, if you guys didn't already know, and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm doing a room tour, so I hope you guys enjoy. I actually moved, so that's one reason why I stopped filming videos and all that stuff, and I officially have my own room now, which is kind of weird to me, but I can officially do a room tour, and it's just me. This is just me. It's not my sister's stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's been a while, so please bear with me, but let's get on with it. Okay. So the first thing you see when you walk into my room is this big poster of myself, because I was a senior. I actually graduated a couple days ago, so here we go. And then usually I'm gonna take you this way first. Okay, so this is like my makeup session. So let's start here. I just have some Q-tips and some cotton pads that I cut in half so that I didn't use a whole bunch of them at once, and I got these from the dollar store. And then here I have some of my hair ties, and then moving on to this drawer, I have all of my skincare. I have my Clinic and Maria de Badesco. I don't know why I couldn't pronounce that. And then here I have my chapsticks that I put in there, and like my foundation, which I don't wear, and this eyebrow kit that I got for Christmas but never opened. And then I have all my hair brushes here. And then there's my laptop. And then here I have all my tools. And then here I have my steamer that I got from Didi's for like 15 bucks. And then I have my pore sucker, and then I have this alcohol to clean up everything, make sure everything's clean. And then I have my lipsticks and my Too Faced palette and my mini James Charles palette, and then this random palette. Here it is. And this glitter palette that really sucks. And then I have my eyeliner, which I don't wear, and then I have my mascara stuff, and then I have all my brushes and all of my my eyebrow stuff there. And this is pretty much my little drawer. It's cute. I got it from Walmart for like 125 bucks, so that was pretty good. And then we move on to here. So here I have this cart, and let's start from the bottom. From the bottom I have all my tech stuff and all my chargers and my cheap tripod. And then on the second row I have all of my more hair stuff. So those are clips, and then I have my headbands. And the bottom, I don't think I have anything on the bottom. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I have two things to make a bun on there, and that's it. And then up here I have my school supplies, I guess. So I have this tape and I guess all this stuff. And then so my bed is actually a bunk bed. My sister has the other top part, and then my comforters are from that 17 magazine. That's where they're from, but I want to change it. And then I actually have 3 drawers under, so I have all my pajamas in here. It's a total mess. And then I have workout clothes in here, and then I have underwear, socks, and stuff, all that stuff in there. So yeah, this is my bed. It's a full-size bed. I don't know if you guys want to hear that, but okay. Okay, and then let's move on to this masterpiece over here. This is what? This was a gift for me for my 17th. Was it 17? I'm 17 right now. Yeah, it was for my 17th birthday because I was 16 my whole junior year because I don't turn 18 until July. I'm turning 18 this year in July. So I got this in July last year, 2019. I don't know why I made that complicated, but my best friend made this for me. And it's just some pictures and memories of us up to our junior year. Sadly, our senior year got canceled halfway, but who cares, because senior year, I'm sorry to the seniors, but senior year sucked. It sucked so bad. So, I'm sorry. Okay, so I have some bears. That's my graduation one. That black one I've had since I moved to California from Texas. And then this one, I got it last year. My best friend gave me that too. Focus. On Valentine's Day last year. And then this throw blanket from Didi's is actually really soft. It's really nice. Didi's is the spot. So, moving on to here. Okay, so up here, I drew that. I traced my face while looking at it, and it came out like that. I didn't do the eyes and stuff, but that's like so cool. And then here are my earrings and like my jewelry. And then I keep special hoops in here. And then my 2 owls that look really cute. They're not stuck on there. I just place them there, but they stay there perfectly. And then moving down, this is probably my favorite part of my room, is my perfume collection. And I didn't use that much perfume, but the most one I use is this One Direction one. It's like so pretty. And this is like how I organize. I got all my organizers from Daiso. I'll put a picture here somewhere. Yeah, you guys should go there. I totally recommend it to get some, what's it called? Some organizers and stuff. It's a really cool store. And then here, I have my Google that I didn't pay for. My parents actually won it, and we got 3 of them. And there's one in our living room, there's ones in my mom's room, and then obviously this one's in our room. So here are my books. I read this one, didn't like it. I started reading this one, and it's pretty good so far. And the rest of them I've actually gotten from school. I don't know if you could see, but it says like my school. I always get free books from my school because they always give out free books. And then I have this, which was from my cousin's skiing set, and there's a little picture of myself when I was in kindergarten. And then down here, we have my makeup box right here. And then I'm also pretty proud of this. This is like my organizer. This is how I organize like all my skincare stuff and like my lotions and all that stuff, because like my sister will use my stuff and I don't like her using my stuff, so I just keep everything in my room. So here's it is. So I have all my lotions and body wash, and I have all my deodorants right here, and then I have floss, Q-tips and cotton pads. And then I have my hair. This is to detangle my hair. Oops, it's upside down. Detangle my hair. And then my hair mask from Bath and Body Works. And some rose water. And then it has some extra stuff like this to clean my like scrubbers. And then over here, oops, I have my Vaseline. And I also have some stuff that fell. I have some nail polish. And look, my best friend gave me these. These are, what are they called? Bath bombs? Which I don't really take baths. But I might have to, so that I can use those. And then on the last shelf, I have my sunglasses in here. I have this empty organizer so that I can organize stuff, because since we've moved here, I haven't gotten everything together. And then I have my other organizer that's also from Daiso, and it has some of my masks in there. And then I have this basket with some gloves, and I can't take them out, but they're Everlast. I can't take them out. Weights, they're ankle weights that I use when I work out. So yeah, that is my whole, what's it called, shelf. Also, before I forget, I got this shelf from IKEA. It was on sale. Don't remember how much, but it was on sale. So let's move on. So we have my closet right here, and my closet is really sad, so I'm sorry. Let me just show you. So this is my closet, it's just all coats from winter because I bought all coats. And then right here is where my pants start, and I have a couple pants and shorts. And then I have some sweaters that I haven't listed these on Poshmark, so that's why they're hung up here. And then on the other side, we're gonna go back to the bottom in a second, but I'm just trying to show you my clothes. This is it. This is the saddest thing I've ever seen. Like, these are all the shirts that I own. And I can't go shopping because we're supposed to stay in. Okay, so continuing on, I have this laundry organizer, which is, I recommend you get it. I got mine from Five Below because it helps you sort out your laundry without sorting out your laundry. Like, you just color coordinate your laundry, and when you're done with your dirty clothes, you just put them like in white, color, and black. Okay, so moving on. This part is dirty because I've been working on some crafts. So here it is. I have this bag that I got from the swap meet, and it's like my go-to bag. I think it's really cute. And then I have this hook with my keys and stuff. And then I have this 9 West purse that I don't really use because it's not that I don't like it, it's just that it doesn't match with that much stuff. So yeah. And then I have this mess, and I'm trying to hang these up in my room, but I don't know how because they're too short. And then I have this box, this Eggo box full of fabric because I've been, what's it called, sewing. And then up here are my boxes, and it's kind of messy up here. So moving back to the side of the closet, I have my shoes right here, and I have my sock cleats, that black thing, and I have some, like, what's it called, jumpsuits in the back, and I have some of my old frames from my old room that I don't know what to do with. And going back up here, I have this ceramic owl, and it's really beautiful, but I don't know where to put it. And I got this from the swap meet, and then I got this from the dollar store. And this was my promotion gift from when I promoted from 8th grade to 9th grade, so middle school to high school. And then just the towel. And then I have all the money I saved, and then I have this trophy. I ended up taking entrepreneurship my senior year, and I won a competition. And then this is my memory jar. For those of you guys that don't have memory jars, I really recommend that you make one because it's really nice. This was for my quince. It was a decoration, and people wrote notes and like wishing me the best for my quince, and then it became a memory jar. So yeah. And then in the back, I have my soccer award that I got because I was MVP. This letter that I got from my family, and here's my cap. Look at how beautiful that is. I actually made a TikTok on it, so if you guys want to go follow me on TikTok, you know, gotta self-promote. It's Melinda Flores _ because someone took Melinda Flores, so thank you to whoever that is. And then I just have some more school supplies, and then I have this book. This book is amazing. It's Be Yourself, a journal for a Catholic girl. Personally, I'm not that religious, but I have been touching more into my spirituality. I don't know what I just said. If you will do. And I think it's good for like not like therapy, but like little self-care moment. And I love it. I've already wrote in it a couple times. I would show you, but kind of personal. But look, they have like some coloring. So like coloring is a very good way to relax. So if you guys are trying to be more in touch with your self-care and all that stuff, more in touch with yourself, then I recommend getting something like that. It doesn't have to be the exact one, but something like that. And then from my closet, if I move this chair and close the closet, we're right back at where we started. My gosh, my outfit. And then I have all my cords. I didn't have all my cords, which I don't know what they mean. And then I have my medal, which I don't know what that means. And then I have my tassel. I have like 3 tassels. I think it was like 3 tassels this year. I honestly don't know why. But once I get a car, I'm putting one of the tassels in my car. So now we're back at square one. And yeah, that was pretty much it. This was my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's just give it a montage moment. If
for days when I hear your name, things don't feel the same. I'm the only one inside today.
So yeah, that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm glad that I'm doing this again. And make sure you press that like button, you hit the subscribe button, and comment down below pink bubbles if you made it so far. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm finally glad to be back and have my own space where I can record without having to worry about anybody coming in. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys would like to follow me, my Instagram is Melinda _CX. My TikTok is Melinda Flores _. So if you guys would like to follow me there, you guys can. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.